We're gonna get gas, guys, on the Lambo. Oh, it says no mobile phones, so look around, guys. We're going for a drive, and we're going for a drive. We're gonna vlog nature today. Look at this view, guys. Wow, the mountains and stuff. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a video. I'm gonna switch the video lens. That way it could be better. All right, let me switch it. Wow, look at that. So nice.
Oh my God, super cool.
We are on the side of the road. The road is right there. So nice and windy. Look at the wind. All right, we're just gonna. Huh? Look at the mountains, guys. Zoom in, catch up a little bit. Down. Look at the terrain. I don't know what that is right there, but it looks like it was burnt down or something. All right. So beautiful, so nice. All right, let's go. Let's go. I'll pack the like button. Ta-da! Hey, babe. Where you going?
We're going to...
Mansawa.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. So, we're taking a little travel. It's not that far. It's maybe like 20 minutes towards where her other family lives. Just showing y'all the roads, the Lambo, side of the mountains. I don't know what that's. That looks like it's a house or something. Oh yeah. Someone lives there, or what? It looks like they work. Alright, guys. And then this one, guys. This is camp. Oh, there's another mountains everywhere. That one's called Camp Gilbert or something. That's behind us. That's fine. I guess that one is closed or what? That farm? So, as you see, there's more mountains ahead. But right here to the left, let me see. Right here to the left, I'm gonna show y'all these pretty cool flowers. Look at the pretty cool flowers. Wow. And then the pine trees. These are the pine trees, huh, babe?
Yeah.
She don't want to.
Wow, you hear that?
Yeah.
Whisper?
Well, there's a house. There's a house right there. Dang. So these people have this. Yeah, there's people that live there, babe. So these are all their flowers. Wow, super nice. This is what I like, these pine trees, baby. So here we go.
No, there's 2 kinds of pine trees right here.
Alright, so yeah, I like those pine trees. Look, and then over here, So we're almost there to Mansawan, y'all. Wow. They fixed all this road, so all this is fixed. Let me show you the mountains over here. I don't think the phone does it any justice. You can't really see the beauty with the phone, y'all. They got some farms. So this one, we're on top of the hill right now. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, we are, baby.
Yeah, we're on top of the mountain already. But you know, being out here, we get a different view. So.
Oh my God, the view is so
Yeah.
nice.
There's people there taking pictures. And yeah, look at this mountains. So nice. Hapak the like button.
It's cold.
So we were gonna keep going, but we stopped. So it looks like the road keeps going that way, and then it comes down. And I hear waterfalls, because there's supposed to be a waterfall over here. So,
There's waterfalls, baby.
yeah, it's supposed to be real nice, and we can hear water through here. So
You hear that?
yeah, you can hear the
It's a
water.
waterfall.
I hear it too. Well, you want to go there?
No. Let's go home.
Come on. All right, let's go.